Hello students. Now let us see practical number 5 of applied chemistry. Course code is 22202, turbidity of water. This is the title of experiment number 5. Basic knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, environment and sustainability, individual and teamwork, and lifelong learning. These are the relevant program outcomes for this practical. A relevant course outcome is use relevant water treatment process to solve the industrial problems. Practical outcome is determine the turbidity of given water sample by nephelometric method. Now before we see the experimental procedure, let us see some theoretical background. Water is said to be turbid when it contains suspended particles. Turbidity may caused by foreign materials like algae, sand, clay, salt, chemical precipitate or other organism. When water becomes stationary, then large suspended matters settle down quickly due to force of gravity, and the lighter particles and fine particles take very long time to settle. Turbidity, that is the amount of cloudiness in water. Generally, groundwater is less turbid due to natural filtration process. Various units which are used for measurement of turbidity are standard turbidity unit, that means milligram per liter or ppm, then Jackson turbidity unit, that is JTU, then nephelometric turbidity unit, that is NTU. WHO suggested that the turbidity of water should not be less than 1 NTU, that is nephelometric turbidity unit. This is the nephelometer. Now resources required are nephelometer, then volumetric flask, plastic or glass bottle, beaker and chemicals. Then procedure for part first is to prepare 400 NTU formazine stock suspension. First step is to take 1 gram of hydrogen sulfate in filter water and dilute to 100 ml. Then dissolve 10 gram of hexamethylene tetramine in filter water and dilute to 100 ml. Then mix 5 ml of hydrogen sulfate and 5 ml of hexamethylene tetramine solution in 100 ml volumetric flask. Then stand this solution for 24 hours, then dilute it up to the marks. Then to prepare 500 ml of 400 NTU standard, mix 25 ml of reagent solution in a 500 ml flask and dilute it up to the mark and mix. Then second part is to determine turbidity. For determination of turbidity, first is switch on the turbidity meter at least 30 minutes before the test. Then calibrate the turbidity meter to 400 NTU by using standard solution by adjusting the calibration knob. Then calibrate the turbidity meter to 0 NTU by using distilled water and by adjusting the knob to the sample cell. Add water up to the horizontal mark. Place it in turbidity meter such that the vertical mark in the sample cell should coincide with mark in turbidity meter and cover the sample cell. Check the reading in turbidity meter and wait until stable reading is obtained. Then in this table you have to write down the resources used, then procedure followed, fill in the blanks. Then we will see how to write observation in observation table, temperature range and turbidity and the result, interpretation of result and conclusion. Let us see how to write this observation table result. Now let us see procedure followed. Reagent solution is prepared by mixing 5 ml of hydrogen sulfate and 5 ml of hexamethylene tetramine in 100 ml distilled water. Then 400 NTU contain 25 ml of reagent in 500 ml of distilled water. Then calibration of turbidity meter of 400 NTU, it is using by formazine. Calibration of turbidity meter to 0 NTU by using distilled water. Record the reading by placing sample cell in turbidity meter. Then in observation table, this is water sample first. For water sample first, temperature of sample is 24 degrees Celsius and turbidity in NTU is 514. For water sample second, temperature is same for all the water sample. Turbidity is 311. For third water sample, 378 it is the turbidity, and for fourth water sample it is 322. Now see the result. The turbidity of water sample first is 514, for second 311, for third it is 378, and for fourth it is 322. Then interpretation of result: turbidity of given sample, it is sample solution, and conclusion is turbidity of water should be less than 1 NTU for drinking water. This is experiment number 5, that is determination of turbidity of water sample.